We have a treasure here. Ovation 1651 Legend, also known as John Lennon model among Ovation fans. It's been sitting in the closet for a long time, so we'll bring it back to life and make it great again. Let's do it. This one has a unique feature, a split piezo pickup, which gives you opportunity to route strings 135 and 246 into different outputs, which they call stereo. And it was made in Connecticut, USA. The preamp is based on Ovation FET preamp model, but it's double. It's two independent preamps in one box for groups of 3 strings, 135 and 246. Here you can see the 2 cables coming out of the pickup assembly. I found an interesting detail in this preamp. If you look closely, you can find out that the source and the drain of the field effect transistor are reversed, which is not usual. Here you can see the concentric potentiometer for volume and tone, and inductors for the audio filter, which look like small audio transformers. Here's the wiring of the output cable. 2 channels, red and white, for the stereo jack. The cables inside the body are secured with this little clip. And those are the output jacks. I think it was refretted a while ago, but not very good job. The frets are not sitting well. The truss rod needs a 1/4-inch socket wrench.